Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying CorelDRAW X3 is installed and your license works. This avoids interruptions. Open the CDR file. You'll edit or create a new document with the correct page size and DPI. Why? Because resolution affects output quality. Once done, set color mode. Use RGB for on-screen projects and CMYK for print to prevent color shifts. Make sure rulers and snap to grid are visible, so you can align objects precisely and speed up the next steps. You'll now perform the core edits. Select objects with the pick tool, drag corners to scale while holding Shift to preserve center alignment, and use property bar for numeric size input when precision matters. Next, switch to the shape tool to adjust nodes and refine curves. Smoothing reduces unwanted points. Once shapes are right, apply fills and strokes, choose gradients or patterns, and organize elements in Object Manager so layers won't overlap unexpectedly. This keeps complex designs tidy and editable. You finish by preparing the file for output. Convert text to curves to lock typography and prevent font substitution. Do this after final edits. Use trim and intersect to create clean vector outlines and eliminate hidden geometry that can cause print artifacts. When exporting, pick the proper format: PDF for print, EPS for legacy workflows, or high-resolution TIFF for raster needs, and set bleed and color profile correctly. If colors shift, check color mode and embedded profile. That solves most export issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.